Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about men's layered haircuts, and look at this model. I mean, this guy, a runway model for sure, but I created a whole variety of haircuts, typically with darker, thicker hair, because I know a lot of you have that. So let's get into it. Layered haircuts are really, really versatile, offering a perfect balance of texture, volume, movement, and whether you're looking for a classic clean cut or something more edgy and modern, layered haircuts can really suit a wide variety of styles and preferences. I'm going to walk you through basically everything you need to know about layered haircuts for men, what they are, how they're done, tips styling, maintaining your look, and all that great stuff. So I've said this many times, layered haircuts and layering is a technique that's used to add dimension and texture to the hair. It's also designed to remove weight. Instead of cutting all the hair at one uniform length, layers involve cutting different sections of the hair at varying lengths. This creates a somewhat stacked or feathered effect, adding movement and reducing bulk. For men, layering can enhance natural hair texture, whether it's straight, wavy, curly. It's an excellent way to give your haircut more personality and life. That's why I always say it's important to find someone who knows how to actually cut hair. Layered haircuts are perfect for almost any length hair. For short hair, layers can add a sharp, edgy vibe. For medium or long hair, layers can add some softness and flow, making the hairstyle look effortless yet stylish. They're also good for thinning hair, as layers can create the illusion of more volume. All these models have extremely thick hair, all right? Now, to achieve a great layered haircut, a hairstylist or a barber, we use a variety of tools and techniques. Our shears, right? Precision scissors are the most common tool for creating layers. I mean, we use shears. Sometimes you'll see, me or other professionals use thinning shears, which can be used if your hair is relatively thick. It's great for blending layers, removing bulk, especially on thicker hair. It has to be done properly. Clippers. You've seen me use clippers before. And really, I don't think any of these haircuts I'm showing you have been used with clippers, maybe around like the sideburn areas. But, clippers are used for tapering the hair and going shorter. You may also see a, feather razor from time to time, which is a professional tool. The technique really varies depending on the style. For a more structured look, we may use point cutting, and you see a lot of this on social media, and point cutting involves cutting into the hair at an angle. For a more natural blended look, slide cutting sometimes, or even razor cutting with the feather razor that I mentioned before, may be used to create, softer edges. Now, here are some of the most popular haircuts with layers that I think, right? The layered undercut. That's also a great one where it's clean, shaved on the sides with longer layered hair on top. The textured quiff. A quiff is kind of a timeless style that gets a modern twist with layers. It's perfect for adding volume and movement to the hair. And this is kind of what we're seeing in a lot of this, the messy medium length layers for guys who prefer more of a laid back look, a messy medium length layer, also something you can slick back, which is you see a lot of that in these models, something that's more tame and neat throughout the sides. A layered fringe, something that is trendy, youthful. It's great for adding thickness to the hair, especially if you have more of a finer, hair in the front. A long layered look, kind of like the first model. Long layers create kind of that grungy, surfer-inspired, beachy appearance. It's low maintenance, and you could even just use tidal wave and let it air dry. But you have to also consider, when getting a haircut like this, your face shape, the hair type, your style, and that's where the professionalism comes in from a barber or a hairstylist. Now, styling layered haircuts, it's a lot easier than you think, but you need to use the right products. And depending on your hair type, you might need products like Tidal Wave, my sea salt spray, my matte pomade, more of a cream gel like my power cream if you want that extreme hold like some of these models have here. You want something really, really, it's not going to move, power cream is going to be good for you. My One Clay. If you have fine hair, Tidal Wave is going to work great. Or my new Beach House Sea Salt Hair Powder. That's going to add some volume and bind the hair to make it look thicker. You could also use like a grooming cream, or a grooming paste that I have, like Success Paste. Anything that's going to be able to tame the hair and keep it back, right? You don't want to also skimp out on a blow dryer. I know a lot of you are like in the past, or you're brainwashed by non-professionals. Oh, blow dryers are killing your hair. I've been a hairstylist for over 30 years. I've blow dried thousands of clients, and none of them ever died from me blow drying their hair. No one's ever gotten any diseases. I've never burnt anyone's hair off or fried anyone's hair using a blow dryer. Okay, I'm telling you that as a real professional, and even using my tools. I have an ionic blow dryer that's good for the hair. I have ceramic ionic round brushes, but blow drying the right way and the right techniques are going to be helpful when it comes to layering hair, right? If you want more of a polished look, get regular trims. Maintenance is really important, and experiment. Sometimes, having a little bit of length throughout the sides and these types of models I'm showing you, you can have some versatility. You can slick it back for more of a formal look, toss a little bit more, or mess it up for a casual vibe, or braid it if your hair's long enough. Also, healthy hair. Like, don't be afraid to wash your hair as needed. The shampoos that I have and conditioners are such high quality products, and I've worked for two of the largest beauty companies in the world promoting their products in the past, and I've used their shampoos and stuff, and I've said to myself, why is it that these products, the shampoo, makes the hair feel so dry? So if you're tired of using shampoos that make your hair feel dry and like straw, you have to check out my range of shampoos. I have 3 shampoos and 3 conditioners, all that have different purposes, and they're loaded with really high quality ingredients. And don't be afraid to use a conditioner. The next thing is, when you're getting a layered haircut, communication with your hair professional is key. Be clear about the look that you want. You can even bring reference photos. You can take screenshots of these models I'm showing you. And don't be afraid to show photos. Describe the level of layering you prefer, whether you're looking for, subtle layers. You could even touch your hair or the side of your head or the front, saying, I want my hair to come down to here. Don't be afraid to ask for advice. A good stylist or barber will consider your hair type, the face shape, and they will create a style that works best for you. That's the one thing I always talk about, is make sure that you communicate, and the stylist is remember, you're paying them. They should be telling you what is going to work good for you. Another thing that I have and I created are my ebooks, my haircut handbook ebooks. They're only $10 each. I have one for men, one for women, and it explains fully what haircut shapes are and the best face shapes for those hair. It's literally $10 each. They're PDF files. You can immediately download them right after you purchase, and you have them forever. A really great resource that I created, one for men and one for women. So in my opinion, that's honestly everything you need to know when it comes to layered haircuts. From understanding, the basics to exploring the popular styles, learning how to maintain your look. And I think if you are ready for a layered haircut, you have to make sure that, one, you have the right hair type, the right hair texture, finding the right stylist, and being open to experimenting with styles, with different products. And I think, again, it's something that really is going to play an important role in, your hair journey for 2025. So if you enjoyed this video, really let me know in the comments below. You can purchase the ebooks right here. You can go to my website, shop.TheSalonGuy.com. If you want, you can use code YouTube20 for 20% off. Some tools that I have, like my blow dryer and hairsprays, cannot be shipped internationally. Canada, you can use the blow dryer, however, but shop.TheSalonGuy.com, and let me know if you're enjoying these videos of me creating these models and showcasing them so that you get a variety of different looks, because I enjoy doing this. I enjoy creating these and sharing this information with you. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.